Hey Greg,
So,
I had an idea come to mind. After watching what? You have a problem?
no, go ahead. Let's hear your.
Okay, yeah. Well, I was watching this YouTube video where they basically like took these 4 photographers, the same model, the same location, and they all did their own edit, their own photos, and then they kind of just compared how the different photographers took different shots of the different model.
You want to be a model?
I think you guys should take the EVO, go out to the same location, and then each do your own edit after getting your own footage.
Yeah, we could totally do that. We could do like 2 or 3 different locations. 100% EVO footage, limited batteries, and limited time editing, and then we'll see.
That's the same length of video, like 1 minute video.
Yeah, like 1 minute, so it's not too long.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
One shot, slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. Slaving all.
Stop it. You stop that. Put it away.
What time is it?
Too early time. I was reading this article earlier about dolphins and how they don't like to eat kale.
I don't think that's true. Eat your kale, kids.
Oh, you're talking about kale, like food kale.
What are you talking about?
The person. Like the name kale.
Kale's not a name.
What? Yeah, totally. A C-A-Y-L-E. Kale? Yeah.
C-A-Y-L-E?
Yeah. That's...
Kale?
You've never heard of someone named
There's
Kale
nobody in
before?
the world named Kale. I'm looking it up really quick. Oh, it is a name.
Kale chips.
Kale, like the person.
It's not a name.
It's not a kale.
Are you ready to go, Greg?
Yep. Bye, guys.
Then we're gonna go to a local spot and hopefully get some pretty awesome shots. We have made it to the first location, and we're standing in the middle of the road.
You look good.
Thanks.
You ready?
Yeah.
That's good because you're gonna go first.
What? No. Why?
Yeah, because I'm not awake yet.
Also, this is not a fair competition because you've been flying EVOs for a year, and I just flew my first drone a couple months ago.
Yeah,
So,
but you should kill me on the editing part.
we'll see.
That's a cute shot.
Pro tip: take off your sunglasses so you can expose properly.
Do you have any sort of like thoughts or anything like on like what you're trying to go for?
No. Do you have a plan?
Maybe.
Oh, good. I thought I'd set myself apart by getting shots of the trees from above the trees.
That's not just like a safety thing because you don't want to crash.
No.
Now it's my turn.
Let's give the crowd a little refresher. What do you like to shoot at, Tim?
Depending on what I'm doing, I like to set up my drone differently. So like right now, obviously I make sure that I'm shooting an H.265 and 60 frames a second, but I also just limited my speed to 11 miles an hour since we are in a crowded mountainous area. So just in case like GPS goes in and out, I still want that start point to limit my speed so that you don't get like the accelerating as it comes out of start point, reconnects to GPS and then decelerate.
Oh, I definitely had a lot of that.
Yeah. So
I'm learning things today.
we'll see what happens.
Look at this cool rock I found.
That's actually really weird. Is that actually a rock?
Yeah. It's a piece of history. So we're going to swap SD cards before our next shot or shoot or whatever you want to call it.
SD card for you.
In case we crash a drone or lose it in water or something happens, and we at least have half of our content. I'm a little bit nervous about flying here because it's down in a dark valley and we might not have a very good GPS signal or star point signal, so it'll be a challenge for my novice piloting skills, but we'll see how it goes. Tim is confident, probably.
we are back at the office, and now we start to edit that footage.
Wow, cool video. It looks like it slugs. Cole.
I don't even want to talk to you.
Did you say my name?
No, I didn't.
Whose video do you think will win?
Oh, wait, like what's it being judged on?
Is it good?
There's no criteria.
Is it better than the other
It's
one?
people's choice.
Okay, so who's the audience then?
YouTube.
All right, so we are finally back at the office, and we are done filming and done editing. We're all done. We did it all in less than 24 hours. How do you feel about yours?
I feel good. Yeah. I took kind of an obscure route, but I'm happy with it. How do you feel?
I'm pretty confident about it. I know you're a really good editor, but I think I got some unique shots and hopefully my concept.
Well, you're a good drone pilot, so.
Thanks, Craig.
Oh, yeah.
You want to check them out?
Yeah, let's watch yours first.
Remember, go outside, look up, but never directly at the sun.
Oh, feels so real.
Breathing affects our state of mind. It can make us excited or calm, tense or relaxed.
Are you afraid of the water?
Humans cannot fly.
It's like magic when the flow would tend to do that. Pick it apart and dissect it, but where your crew at? Never the thought that they fought, but then they blew that. It's bigger than talk, but that thought, you see.
It really is a staggering thing he's done. A staggering thing he's done.
All right, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed those two videos. Let us know down in the comments on who you think won. We had a lot of fun making it, and I thought it was really unique on how our two videos turned out completely different. I thought it was fun. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think, and please subscribe to our channel and hit that like button if you guys want to see more.
Yeah.
Have a good one.